I never thought I would be the type of person to willingly eat raw garlic before bed. I mean, who in their right mind would voluntarily subject themselves to such a pungent and potent ingredient right before trying to drift off to sleep? But here I am, standing in my kitchen, staring down at a clove of garlic, contemplating whether or not I should actually go through with it. I had heard about the supposed health benefits of consuming raw garlic before bed. Some people claimed that it could boost your immune system, improve your digestion, and even help you sleep better. It sounded too good to be true, but I was desperate for a solution to my constant fatigue and frequent illnesses. So I decided to give it a try. I peeled the clove of garlic and held it up to my nose, inhaling deeply. The sharp, spicy scent made my eyes water and my nose tingle. I hesitated for a moment, wondering if I was making a huge mistake. But then I remembered all the positive things I had read about the benefits of raw garlic, and I steeled myself to take the plunge. I closed my eyes and bit down on the clove, chewing slowly and trying to ignore the burning sensation in my mouth. The taste was intense and overwhelming, but I forced myself to keep chewing until I had swallowed the entire clove. I washed it down with a glass of water, hoping to dilute the taste and prevent any lingering garlic breath. As I climbed into bed, I couldn't shake the feeling that I had just made a huge mistake. The taste of garlic lingered in my mouth, and I was sure that I would be haunted by it all night long. But as I closed my eyes and settled in under the covers, I felt a strange sense of calm wash over me. I drifted off to sleep surprisingly quickly, and when I woke up the next morning, I felt more refreshed and energized than I had in weeks. My usual morning grogginess was nowhere to be found, and I felt like I had actually gotten a good night's sleep for once. I continued to eat raw garlic before bed every night, and the results were undeniable. My immune system seemed stronger, and I didn't get sick as often as I used to. My digestion improved, and I no longer suffered from bloating or stomach discomfort. And most importantly, I slept like a baby every single night. I couldn't believe that something as simple as raw garlic could have such a profound impact on my health and well-being. I had always been skeptical of natural remedies and alternative treatments, but this experience had opened my eyes to the power of simple, everyday ingredients. As I stood in my kitchen, peeling another clove of garlic, I couldn't help but feel grateful for the discovery that had changed my life. I knew that I would continue to eat raw garlic before bed for as long as it continued to benefit me, and I was excited to see what other natural remedies I could incorporate into my daily routine. So if you ever find yourself struggling with fatigue, illness, or poor sleep, I urge you to give raw garlic a try. It may seem strange and unappealing at first, but the results are truly worth it. Trust me, your body will thank you.